10:20, I'm renewing my hike, restarting it. Took a little break to tie my shoelaces. I'm following. I'm hoping that's going to be turning, because I'm following that Aztec Peak for a long ways. I want to turn north. I saw a spot back there that looked like it turned north, but I wasn't certain. It's all overgrown. This is this it? Is this where I turn around? I think maybe so. Kind of obscure, but by all those tall, dead trees. 10:25. Hiking up the last part of Abbey's Way Trail to the top of Aztec Peak, or at least the southern end of it. First car I've seen in half an hour. And there it is, the lookout tower. Edward Abbey's lookout tower for 2 summers many decades ago. It's 10 minutes after 11. I said I would be here at 10. Well, I got part of that 10 in there, 11:10. I meant 10 o'clock though.